Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Tara, panoorin natin ang pagpunta namin sa Bukit Batok Nature Park. Ryan, kayo po ha? Tayo dyan, sa may banda dyan, yung entrance. At dito sa part na to, makikita natin may mga bagong tanim na, I think, lily plant. Oh no, it's not lily plant. Parang ganito siya oh. Pero hindi ka alam kung ano yung mga pangalan ng bulaklak na yan. So, kasama natin as usual si Ryan. Yeah, kahit kaka-dental surgery lang niya nung Wednesday pala. Ayan. Very fast to walk. Ayan, ganito. Naririnig niyo ba yung naririnig ko? Can you hear that sound that I can naglalakad. Daming nagja-jogging ngayon no. Sa likod ko. So bali na sa kalagitnaan na tayo at ayan. Meron tayong mga welcome. Welcome. Ito yung bagong hindi pa pala napalitan. Oh, meron pang daan pa doon. Yan. Stop feeding monkeys. They have food enough in the forest. So no need to people inside there. This side. Maraming mga malapit na tayo dito sa may lake. Pababang ganyan. Malapit na tayo dito sa may lake at makikita nyo may bagong daanan dito oh. Uy, parang nalinis na yata. Yan oh. Ayun. There. Pala kaming nakita. Ayun. Kami nabigo because a lot of turtles here. Look at that. You count, Ryan? You count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is
9,
it?
10.
Is it? Ryan, come. Let's watch those turtles, okay? Let's watch them slowly. Actually, they don't like to go that side. Only here. Oh, what's that? What's that? Is that a big fish? Is there a big fish? I didn't see. Ryan, you try to count how many? What kind of turtles are these? Look at that. Some cannot really see because of the reflection. But looks like I don't know. But if they can watch properly, can see the house shell. Look at that house shell. Oh,
You know.
2 minutes. It's already, I think 5:30 am. Let's take a look closer. Okay, so shall we go, right?
Right, Toto.
Oh, you want to watch the turtles? Okay. Where?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Count.
40 Toto.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I think more than 20. More than 20 turtles. Wow, so many. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go now. Let's go. Oh, I saw a small doggy coming
Okay.
here. Let's see it. Let's see the doggy. Let's see the doggy.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh, so cute.
Okay.
So cute, the doggy. You see? Dog also want to come here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Selfie. That laughing crescent. I think bird. Yeah, that's the. Look at those birdie, and then there's another chicken there, right? Jumanji, and the dog is there. So many birds. So many birds. So nice. Ooh, look at those birds. Ryan, wait. Ang dami nila. Okay. Ryan, look. Say. Okay. Where's the doggy now?
Okay.
Come, you see? Where's the doggy? Doggy. Where are you, doggy?
Okay.
Oh, wow. It's nice. We're on top already, Ryan. Okay, we follow that dog, okay? Oh, this is the one that we... just now we are there, right? Nice, Ryan.
Yeah.
Ooh, overlooking the side. Very nice. This is E. Okay, come. Car park. Oh, going to the car park this way.
Walk this way.
What are you doing, auntie? Oh, there's chicken there. So nice. There's chicken there. Chicken there, Ryan, look.
Okay.
Got chicken there. Wait. And then go to the side. Dito na tayo sa kagubatan. Dito na tayo sa kagubatan. My first time, not first time. Medyo na renovate lang, kaya medyo gumanda lalo. Ito, tingnan natin ulit ni pababa, ha? Okay. Yan, pababa tayo dyan. Inside the forest, but look, cemented. Maraming mga dried leaves lang siya. Ito yung papuntang playground tsaka papuntang toilet. So, may map siya, oh. Diba? This one is going to the playground, this side. So, we're going to go this side, right? Okay? Okay? You see just now? See the people there? Oh, then this one also nice. Okay? Come, we go to the playground. Go to the No, not playground. Go to the car park.
Not far.
Yeah, that side. It's already 5. What time? Ayan, galing na tayo doon. Ito na yung pababa. Wait, ayan. This is still going down. Okay, we go down this side. Tingnan natin. Saan na ba tayo? So we're going to the side. Gabi may ilaw yan, oh. Yan. Galing tayo doon, ang taas-taas. Pababa na tayo. Ayan. Medyo pinagpawisan tayo ng konti. Sarap. Sarap ng feeling kapag pinagpawisan ka. Ayan, baba na tayo ulit. Let me see what's that. Makikita natin dito na yung dating dinadaanan natin pababa. Pero ngayon, bababa ulit tayo. Very okay, slowly line, okay? I think we have a bridge here and somebody's coming. Yeah. The bridge. This is not the bridge that we went to last time, right? It's actually different bridge. It's supposed to be the other side, right? This is already near the road, main road. Side. Maliwanag na maliwanag pag mag-aalas 6 na. Yan. Oh, they're looking at the birdie. I don't know what's going on there, but they're looking at the birdie. Tingnan natin yung mga trees na nandyan. Oh, this one is so strange. Look at that. Ano kaya ito? Ryan, look at that. What's that? Huh? Oh, so cute. Wait, Ryan. Going up. He's eating grass, you know. Eating grass. The time. Look at the chickens. I see. Ayan. Malapit na tayong umuwi. Nakita namin yung chicken. They call it silky chicken. Medyo fluffy siya. Yan. So maraming namangha. Maraming nagulat kung anong klaseng chicken yon. At hindi lang yan. Meron pang ayun. So medyo pinagpawisan talaga tayo. Maganda maglakad-lakad. Ayan. Sarap maglakad. Pero hindi namin tinapos doon sa may bukid ba, doon sa loob ng park. Dito na kami ngayon sa labas. Cute dog. Meron siyang ganito. And nakita ko itong isang auntie dito pero hindi siya makapagsalita ng English, kaya tinanong ko kung paano to, tapos sabi niya itatanim daw. Ayun. Ryan, come pick. We help auntie pick. You know this one?
Yeah.
You can pick like that. Wait something like this, okay? Pala yung pinupulot ng auntie. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ito yung seed niya, oh. Yung seed niya. Pasensya na, di pa ako nakakuko. Look at that. Look at this, not my nail. Ayo, so loud. Sana ba? See, Ryan, look. dami. Dami, oh. Like that. I asked her whether to choose this one or the dried one. And then she told me it's same.
And I suspect around what happened to something. Kind of full swirl.
You always want to sleep beside me, baby. Huh? Chale, you're a big boy, eh. Hmm?